Omagyanatimirandhasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurnilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Human life is meant for God realization. From the Vedic scriptures we learn that we attain this human form of life after going through 84 lakh species. The Bhagavad Gita, spoken by Lord Krishna, gives us information on how to live in this world in a way that we can live happily now and go to Krishna. The best way of doing that in the modern age, the Kali Yuga, is by chanting the names of Krishna, especially the Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we invite everyone to take up this chanting and to follow the principles of pure life and to remember that we won't be long in this world, so we'd better use this opportunity as best we can for our spiritual development, which is best achieved by chanting Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.